Memory is a central aspect of human cognition and identity, serving as the repository of our experiences, knowledge, and skills. However, its significance transcends this basic description, asserting itself as a core component of human life and functioning. Regardless of the context, be it personal, social, or cultural, memory shapes how we interact with the world and understand our place within it. We will explore the mechanisms of memory, its various types, and its metamorphic qualities, while also delving into the philosophical inquiries that arise in concerning the nature of memory itself. Memory can be categorized into three stages: encoding, storage, retrieval. Encoding is the first step that involves transforming sensory input into a form that can be stored in the brain. Encoding is influenced by several factors, such as attention and perception. Information that is deemed significant or emotionally charged is more likely to be effectively encoded. Techniques such as elaborative rehearsal, where individuals connect new information into existing knowledge, enhance encoding efficiency. Once encoded, information moves into storage where it can reside short term or long term. Short term memory or working memory holds a limited amount of information for brief periods, usually around 20 to 30 seconds. Long term memory, in contrast, has a vast capacity and can store information indefinitely. The transition from short term to long term memory is supported by consolidation processes, often occurring during sleep, where the brain strengthens neural connections associated with memories. The final stage involves assessing and bringing stored memories into conscious awareness. Retrieval can be deliberate, as in recalling a specific fact, or automatic, prompted by environmental cues. Factors such as context and recognition play significant roles in facilitating successful retrieval. For example, being in a location associated with a past event can trigger memories related to that experience, a phenomenon known as context dependent memory. Memory is often categorized into several types, each serving different functions: declarative memory, procedural memory, implicit versus explicit memory. Type of memory refers to facts and information that can be consciously recalled, such as names, dates, and events. Declarative memory is further divided into episodic and semantic memory. Episodic memory pertains to personal experience and specific events, while semantic memory involves general knowledge and concepts. Unlike declarative memory, procedural memory involves skills and tasks that are performed automatically without conscious thought. This includes activities like riding a bike or tying shoelaces. Procedural memory is often acquired through practice and becomes ingrained over time. Implicit or explicit memory. This classification distinguishes between memories that require conscious thought for retrieval, explicit memory, and those can occur unconsciously, implicit memory. Implicit memory is evident in habits or learned skills, while explicit memory in concepts and experiences that can be articulated. While the function of memory is considered an empirical subject, its metaphysical implications raise profound questions about the nature of reality, selfhood, and the continuity of experience. There is a long debate of the sense of memory and its relationship to identity. Several key issues emerge from these inquiries, like memory and personal identity, the relative durability of memory, collective memory, the time dimension of memory, intelligent design, and a priori knowledge. Memory plays a pivotal role in shaping individual identity. It is through memories that people understand their past, interpret their present, and imagine their future. Memory is foundational to selfhood. If an individual can remember experiences from a previous time, they are the same person as the one who had those experiences. This concept, known as the psychological continuity, suggests that our identities are maintained through the connection of memories over time. Personal memories influence values, beliefs, and behaviors, providing a framework for decision making and interaction with the world. Memories of significant life events such as the birth of a child, a graduation, or the loss of a loved one shape individual narratives, enabling people to construct a sense of self that is coherent and continuous over time. The subjective nature of memory poses challenges to its reliability. Memories can be distorted by time, emotion, or suggestion, raising the question, can we trust our recollections? Studies in cognitive psychology, such as the misinformation effect, highlight how easily memories can be altered or fabricated. This leads to philosophical skepticism of the accuracy of memory as a means of assessing truth. At its core, memory refers to mental processes that allow individuals to encode, store, and retrieve information, enabling organisms to learn from past experiences, adapt to their environments and develop a sense of identity over time. Memory is both a product of purposeful creation and intriguingly a tool for understanding the intricate systems in nature that suggest an underlying intelligence. The sophisticated structures and functions observed in biological organisms, much like the multifaceted pathways of memory in the human brain, point toward a designer who has imparted both functional complexity and adaptive capabilities into life forms. This connection raises profound questions about the nature of memory itself. For instance, how do the processes of memory formation and recall reflect a broader design in the cognitive architecture of intelligent beings? Memory's intelligent design extends beyond individual contexts, influencing both how societies formulate culture and heritage. The transmission of knowledge, traditions, and language across generations relies heavily on memory. Oral history, storytelling, and written records are all means through which cultures preserve their past and inform future generations. This interplay between memory and culture highlights the concept of intelligent design. Memory serves as a vessel for cultural continuity, allowing shared knowledge to endure and grow, fostering societal resilience and creativity. A culture that values collective memory will likely exhibit greater cohesion, identity, and a stronger sense of purpose. Thus, memory acting as an intelligent design of cultural growth is fundamental to the fabric of human experience. Memory's relationship to time raises metaphysical questions about existence and the nature of time itself. Does memory allow us to transcend the linearity of time, enabling us to experience the past and the present? Memory compounds our experiences, influencing how individuals and society perceive temporal reality. A priori knowledge, which is a knowledge not based on experience but on reason and logical inference, is important for understanding memory. This innate knowledge will help us organize and interpret information effectively. The connection between a priori language, knowledge, and memory is seen through the lens of intelligent design, suggesting that our cognitive abilities, including memory, are purposefully structured to help us learn and remember. This structured framework allows us to categorize experiences, derive meanings, and form complex ideas, all of which are crucial for navigating the world. The presence of such innate structures suggests the existence of a higher intelligence that has endowed humans with advanced cognitive abilities. The relationship between a priori knowledge and a memory raises deep questions about the origins of our cognitive capabilities and the possibility of a guiding force behind their development. Memory, both in terms of neuroscience and philosophy, plays a crucial role in shaping our cognition identity. It helps establish the continuity of self, its reliability, and cultural significance. Understanding memory allows us to gain insight into our past experiences and the sense of being human. The complexity of memory systems suggests that it is evidence of intelligent design, enhancing an organism's lifespan and reproductive success. Memory is not just a biological function, but also reflects deeper philosophical truths about existence and cognition. It is a hallmark of a sophisticated biological blueprint, allowing organisms to learn, adapt, and thrive. The mechanism and metaphysics of memory are miraculous and beyond logic. It amazes thinking beings and inspires them to reflect on the wonders of life.